Imagine a Caribbean where every young person has the skills to thrive in a rapidly evolving world. This is the vision of the OECS Skills and Innovation Project, SKIP. This project is a truly groundbreaking initiative aimed at accelerating regional integration, empowering youth, and promoting sustainable growth across the Caribbean. The project seeks to strengthen post-secondary education frameworks, building a future-ready workforce for OECS member states and beyond. The regional components of this initiative are funded by a $6 million World Bank grant and will benefit all English-speaking OECS member states with a 6-year implementation period up to 2030. The project will aim to enhance the quality and relevance of TVET programs, elevating skills development and employment opportunities. Grenada and St. Lucia have each secured an additional $15 million towards their country-specific initiatives. The project is strongly aligned with the OECS Education Sector Strategy OECS 2012 to 2026, emphasizing collaboration and harmonization in education. By unifying education standards at the post-secondary level, we are setting a foundation for regional growth through innovation and technology integration while prioritizing skills that drive the Caribbean's future. SKIP has 4 key components, each designed to strengthen regional collaboration and innovation in post-secondary education. As part of the OECS's mission, SKIP focuses on building cooperation across the region. Component 1 focuses on fostering regional collaboration for skills and innovation in post-secondary education. This component, being implemented by the OECS Commission and funded through an IDA grant, is designed to create a strategic framework for post-secondary education across the OECS member states. It aims to improve regional data on post-secondary education and establish a thriving regional innovation ecosystem. Component 1 has 2 subcomponents. Subcomponent 1.1 supports developing regional collaboration in post-secondary education. This includes technical assistance to create a regional strategic framework, common learning standards for priority skills, and a platform for faculty and student exchange, the OECS Virtual Campus. This initiative will also enhance regional data sharing through a new Education Management Information System, or EMIS, to inform post-secondary strategies across the OECS. Subcomponent 1.2 establishes regional innovation ecosystems, inviting participation from post-secondary institutions, entrepreneurs, and the diaspora. The Knowledge, Technology, and Innovation Platform, or KTIP, will connect educational institutions with business opportunities and support innovative initiatives. The KTIP will integrate seamlessly with the OECS Virtual Campus developed under Subcomponent 1.1. The work under this subcomponent will be undertaken in collaboration with the OECS Competitive Business Unit. Looking forward, SKIP is committed to empowering local institutions to support students. Consequently, Component 2 aims to strengthen post-secondary institutions and foster collaborative innovation. Led by project implementation units in St. Lucia and Grenada, this component will support national colleges and selected post-secondary institutions in implementing regional enhancement plans. Some of the regional initiatives financed under Component 1 are piloted and implemented at the national level through Component 2. These plans are designed to improve post-secondary education and align it with regional goals. Component 2 has 3 subcomponents. Subcomponent 2.1 helps institutions develop and implement regional enhancement plans. These plans include a commitment to resource sharing across OECS countries, joint research initiatives, and programs supporting students and teachers with disabilities. Subcomponent 2.2 focuses on developing priority skills for technical assistance and innovative teaching methods. Each participating country will enhance or create 4 flagship programs in priority sectors, providing career guidance services and improving the school-to-work transition for students. Subcomponent 2.3 enables the innovation ecosystem by sponsoring collaborative innovation. Through competitive matching grants, students, faculty, and entrepreneurs will receive funding to pursue collaborative projects that drive innovation in St. Lucia and Grenada. This initiative aims to build entrepreneurial skills and partnerships across the region. Component 3 focuses on project management and technical assistance. This component will support implementing project activities, establishing project implementation units, and strengthening OECS post-secondary education system performance. It provides funding and technical assistance for initiatives such as developing pathways from secondary to post-secondary education, financing the post-secondary system, and addressing educational barriers faced by men. Component 4 is the Contingent Emergency Response Component, or CERC. This emergency-focused component allows for rapid reallocation of the project funds in response to eligible national emergencies. This ensures that resources can be quickly mobilized in the event of a natural disaster or crisis. These 4 components aim to create a sustainable, resilient, and innovative post-secondary education landscape across the OECS region, driving forward a new era of opportunity and regional collaboration. Inclusion is at the heart of this initiative. Through consultations with the private sector and disability organizations, we are identifying and removing obstacles to education for learners with disabilities. Our goal is to achieve a truly inclusive OECS education system that supports all students, allowing every individual to realize their potential. Partnerships fuel innovation. This project fosters collaboration between OECS member states, the private sector, and academic institutions to bridge skill gaps, promote technology transfer, and enable sustainable growth. Through joint research and public-private ventures, the OECS Commission is building an ecosystem where education and industry evolve together. Ultimately, this project empowers the next generation by providing opportunities like hackathons and skill-building challenges. It's about creating pathways to careers in innovation-led sectors and igniting entrepreneurial ambitions. SKIP will enable 40,000 youth to be trained, 10,000 among Grenada and St. Lucia, 125 firms and entrepreneurs benefit from innovation grants. A unique opportunity for 5 firms or entrepreneurs to collaborate with you for business process improvements through the Knowledge, Technology, and Innovation Platform. With a commitment to integration, equity, and innovation, the OECS Project for Innovation and Skills Development is more than a project. It is a step toward a resilient and unified future for the Caribbean. Be a part of the transformation. Join us in building a resilient and unified Caribbean, where education, innovation, and opportunity knows no bounds.